Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother printer DCP-T530DW driver. So open any browser and Google search box to type like that and go to this URL support.brother.com, this officially website, so you can download the driver. Just click on it. Then you can see different OS, Mac, Linux and mobiles. So select the Windows and different version also there, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 10 32-bit, 64-bit, server also. So select your operating system which is you required, then click to OK. Because of installations process same. This is easy setup. Okay, and this is a full with the software pack you can see, and this is only driver, printer driver and scanner driver. Okay, so click to download. You can see more also there. Yeah, click to printer driver, scroll down, click for download. After that it will start downloading. It will take some time, 50 MB. Then click on this location. After that it will open this locations where it is downloaded. Then right click, copy, minimize, all minimize, right click and paste on desktop, so it is easy to install. And then right click again and then click to open, otherwise you can double click, then it will again same positions. Yeah, after that it will extract on same locations and then click to OK. Then guys, this is GDI folder it will create after you double click. Then you can see in this the driver it. Okay, then close it, then click to start, go to setting. Okay, and then click to printer, device, Bluetooth and device, and click to add device, otherwise click to printer and scanner, then click add device. After click add device it will show manual options within a 5 second. After that click on manual, then this is different there. Okay, means you already share, so you can enter the address, computer name like printer and folder, so it will click to then next on, then it will add. This is on the IP, so if you know the install printer IP install, so you can this is Bluetooth and this is manual. Okay, local printer. So then next, now your printer on or connect to your laptop and desktop, which is you are need to connect. Okay, and connect also the printer via printer USB cable. Then select this printer port, then next. Okay, then select the brother and then find out the 530. Okay, DCP T530. Okay, this is DCP T530WD printer. Okay, it will not show, so click to hard disk and then browse, then go to desktop, which is already extracted this folder previously I extract and create. Double click open, select this INF file and then click to open. After that click to OK. Okay, and then find out this printer DCP-T530 DWD, this one, and then click to next. Okay, then next, next, and now this is installed, and then next, then finish. Then guys, restart your system. Okay, and your printer also, and please check. If you have any issue, so please comment me, I will give you solutions in the comment. Thank you.